close my eyes, can't fall asleep. It's 'cause of you that I remind myself of who I wanna be. You felt it too, I saw what you said, but still there is no guarantee that someone new ain't in your bed. Oh well, hello, it's Saturday. I want you out of my mind, but it's out of my hands, from my toes to my eyes. How much can a heart withstand? Can't get over all those words you said. I want you out of my mind, but I'm in over my head. Over my head. So here we go again, around again, and I still feel the same. But I can't hope today will be the day you move out of my brain. That you don't know this.